What's up, YouTube? I have a little something that I just got in the mail. I got the new Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Shout out to the person who bought this. And let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. I'm super excited. Like I said, I want to start doing more vlogs and like outings. Let's go touch some grass together. So this definitely is going to be perfect for that. Um, yeah, it's supposed to shoot in 4K. Um, has this nice little gimbal. So if you guys know some of my old vlogs, I am like all wobbly. Well, this will solve that issue. Eee! Let's open it up together. All right. Um, so I've never had this angle before, but welcome to this angle. Let's open her up. Let's get a knife. Now the creator bundle comes with a couple extra stuff, like extra battery, a little tripod, a microphone, and a couple other things, and a bag. Got some manuals. I think there is an app. Yeah, there's an app I have to download. I think this is just a sticker. Comes with a sticker. Ooh, fancy. Let's open the small box first. Oh, I opened it backwards. Oh, this is the case. Yeah, this is the little protective case. This one comes with any of the options you choose. Comes with oops, sorry, I forgot where my camera is. Little case, and then you can put the little lenses. Sorry, yeah, the little lenses will fit in here. And then the thing will clip here. The microphone clips up here. Oh, I'm super excited. I've been using the GoPro Hero. I don't know. I think it's a 9. I think. I don't remember which one I have. Nice little case. Like this little rubbery material. So this case comes with the creator combo. Here's the little microphone, also comes with the creator combo. And supposedly this will just attach to the camera. You don't have to do much of anything. You don't need any extra equipment. Or does not want to focus. Flip. Charger, which is C charging. This is the little wind muff. It's called a wind muff, right? I think so. You have the little wind thing. And it's actually interesting. I thought this was just stretchy and you pull it over, but it's not. It looks like it just goes into this little hole. It has this little thing. Just, oh shit. But it just fits right into this little hole. Snaps in there. That's really cool. I thought it was just like an elastic cheapy piece. Then we got, of course, a little handle. You don't drop it. This is the magnet. Comes with a magnet, so if you don't want to use the clip on the microphone. Oh my goodness, can't get it out. Little magnet. Magnet to your shirt. Or wherever you want to magnet it to. phones are going crazy right now. This is the little handle you put in there. This is like an extra little battery. So if you're running out of battery, just a little battery pack. Have your tripod or whatever you want to screw in there. This is the handle. Oh no, that one's the handle. Hold on, let me look at it. Sorry. Actually, I think this is the battery. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the handle. Stick it on there. Give you your threading and everything. And then this is the extra battery pack. This one comes with the creator bundle. This must be the tripod. Also is part of the creator bundle. Extra stuff. Interesting. I was kind of worried that it was gonna be like cheapy. It's not too bad. It actually feels pretty nice. Got this little stand, the little tripod, and of course the camera. Here it is. Ooh, she's pretty. And then this little screen moves. Oh, she turned on. I don't have, like I said, the app or anything. I don't even think you guys could see this very well. Touch screen, English. It says I need to download that. DJI Memo. You guys can't really see, I'm sorry. There's a weird glare. All right. Swipe. Yeah. No. I don't know why it's so blurry. Let me switch cameras and go back to my other camera. All right. Delicious. Have to switch between shooting modes. Oh, this is so cool. But yeah, so you have to connect your, you have your little extender. You can connect in here, make it a little bit bigger. Then this is the extra battery pack. Just boop. What else we have? Put the little strap right here. You can charge it here. Looks like this is where the memory card goes. This is not waterproof or water resistant. Gotta be careful with that. You know what I'm missing is this should come with a lens. Let's see, this goes in here backwards. This yeah. Goes in the case just like this, nice and snug, happy. Protects it. I mean, there's no protection on top, but it comes with a bag, so. And then you can connect your microphone to the top. Boop. Ready to rumble. Let me see. I should have. Oh, there it is. I did miss it. This is the wide lens. This is also part of the collector, the creator combo. Here's the wide lens, and it just magnets onto the camera. I can get this out. Just, oop. Supposedly they have how many? They have the wide one. They have a not smoking, but a black pro mist one, and then they have a bundle of 3 different little lenses. Magnets on there. Careful, because he wants to go sideways. Okay. And then this just fits right in here. Let's see. Magnets in there. Perfect. Cool. This bag is really nice, actually. Is it necessary? Not really, but I mean, It's nice. I'm gonna put a little clip on here so I can put it on my backpack or my bag or whatever. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm so very excited. I'm excited to bring my content to like another level. Go on some adventures for you guys, for you guys, but bring you guys with me on adventures because there's a lot of stuff I want to go do. And take you around. So, um, get ready for that content. I'm super excited. Woohoo, I really like how big this screen is. The screen is not really big. Supposedly the 2 is like half an inch smaller or so. So yeah, that's all that we got going on. All right. Well, I'm excited. Hopefully you guys like this unboxing. I know it's kind of quick and to the point, but yeah, I'll show you guys again kind of everything that it comes with. But here it is. Sorry, this is like kind of like a weird angle, but yeah. Ooh, I'm super duper excited.